Hi you guys, so today is Sunday and I went food shopping for my family and I thought I would just share with you what I was able to get for right around $200. I don't want to come off as complaining because I'm very fortunate to be able to afford groceries with everything going on, but the cost of food is insanely high. I live in New Jersey. I know it's everywhere that the cost of food is insane. I'm like looking at my haul here, and what I used to spend about $100 to $20 to $150 every 4 weeks, I'm spending every 2 weeks, and it's double that. It's just a lot. I went to Aldi's and spent about $85, and then I went to my local grocery store, which is Shoprite, which I think is in New Jersey, Philadelphia, and Delaware possibly. It's just like a regular grocery store, and I spent $125 there. And at the time I thought I got a lot. It just doesn't feel like it used to. And I know a lot of people can relate, but I just wanted to share with you what I was able to get for roughly $200. This will last my family. Hopefully I can stretch it for about 3 weeks with the groceries that I still have in my house. There's only 3 of us living here and my sister moved out. So not that one person really made a huge difference, but it makes a little bit of a difference. And the cost of meat has gone up so significantly, but I was lucky to find some things that were pretty decently priced this week. So if you're interested in seeing what I am feeding my family of 3 at $200, just keep watching. Again, I said this is Aldi's and Shoprite, so here we go. I don't have my groceries in any type of order. I'll just tell you where I got each item from, and roughly the cost. So we'll just start right here. I just got this gallon of orange juice. I keep this in my house always because my husband's blood sugar sometimes drops and he starts to feel a little lightheaded, and sometimes when he takes a little bit of this, a little bit of orange juice, it really helps make him feel a little bit better. And this was really decent at Aldi's. I think I paid a little under $4 for this, so I was happy to find that. And it's a huge gallon jug, so that will last about a week and a half. I just got a half a gallon of milk. That came from Aldi's. I love these Dakota's Pride chili and chili mild beans. These really thicken up and really go nicely in my homemade chili. So I just love to add these. These are 50 cents at Aldi's. I love these, and I keep the sauce that it comes in. I never drain these. I love them. And I was able to get 3 cans of corn at Aldi's. They were like 50 cents. They finally had some in, so I was thrilled to find that. I got sweet peas and sliced carrots. They didn't have the frozen ones, so I got the canned ones to make chicken pot pie. I can do a recipe, or I think I have a recipe on my channel that I can link for you. I do like a semi-homemade chicken pot pie, and it is delicious, and I love to use sweet peas and sliced carrots, but like I said, they didn't have the frozen ones, so I just grabbed these. And that's from Shoprite. You can see I got 4 cans from Aldi's of cream of chicken. I use these for so many things, and it's so hard to find them right now. I don't know why. So I found them for 54 cents, so I grabbed 4 cans. I should have grabbed more, but I know you're limited at certain places, so I thought 4 was enough to get us through the month. Kidney beans have been really hard to find as well. I have 1 big can of them, and then I was able to find 1 small can. They had quite a few, but I grabbed that just to hold us. Olives, I wanted to make some pasta salad. These are usually like 99 cents, and they're up to like $1.99, which I know it's like silly to complain, but it's like $1 more than what I'm used to paying, but we needed olives. I got 2 cans of string beans. These are from Shoprite. These are from Aldi's, and then I was able to find stewed tomatoes at Aldi's, and I was really happy too. These pickles are some of my husband and myself's favorite. They're very hard to find. They are new. They're the Sweet Heat from Mount Olives, the bread and butter. If you like bread and butter chips and they just have like this tiny kick to them, these are perfect for sandwiches, and I really love them. And like I said, they are a little pricey. They're right around $4.99, but they're worth it, and they're delicious. And if you can find them on sale for $1.99, I recommend grabbing them. My daughter requested the Clausen pickles. I think that's how you say it. They are delicious, but they are quite pricey. But she'll eat them with sandwiches. She'll eat them as a snack, and they're pretty good for you. And these are both from Shoprite. I just got a thing of Aldi's butter. They were on sale, so I grabbed them while I saw them. I grabbed this White Castle burgers. I don't eat these. My husband loves them. They are expensive. They're right around $13, but he likes to have them for like a lunch and stuff. Personally, whatever makes him happy. I don't like frozen hamburgers like this, but he does. Then I got a beef broth, and I have a chicken broth somewhere from Aldi's. I just like to have these in the house. I don't necessarily use them all the time, but when I see them and I remember to grab them, I like to keep them in my pantry in case I'm making stew, chicken soup. They're good to have. Then I grabbed these from Aldi's. They're just mini cucumbers. They were right around the same price as 2 big ones, so I figured these would be less wasteful, and I kind of like them a little bit better. Then we needed napkins. They're from Aldi's. They were really inexpensive, $1.49 for 250. Then I got a little bit of wet dog food. They don't have that every day. I usually give it to my one little chihuahua when he needs his medication, and he prefers the filet mignon. I have tried to feed him every wet food under the sun, the most expensive, the cheapest, and for whatever reason, he will only eat the one from Aldi's. I don't love it. It doesn't have the best ingredients. He doesn't get it all the time, but that's all he'll ever eat. So then on to these chicken nuggets from Aldi's. These are really inexpensive and very, very good. I like them. They're the brand Kirkwood. They're under $4 at Aldi's, and I'm telling you, these are really, really good. I like to use these to make chicken wraps, just as like a quick and easy lunch. They really aren't bad for how inexpensive they are, because the Purdue ones are like $9 and these are under $4. Got a thing of asparagus. They were like $1.79 at Aldi's, so I love to roast these in the oven. I got a bag of green peppers because they were cheaper than the colorful ones. I prefer the colorful ones, but they were from Aldi's, and I got these to make sausage and peppers this week. Here is the chicken stock. These are both from Aldi's. These are really, really inexpensive. Then from Shoprite, I just grabbed the Hormel Homestyle mashed potatoes. These are $2.99. I get these because they're easy, and when I don't have time to make homemade mashed potatoes, my family will eat these. My daughter prefers these over homemade. My husband doesn't necessarily love them, but he will eat them when we're in a pinch. I got a carton of eggs. Eggs are very expensive, so I only got a 12 count, and these were roughly $1.99. I hope in the spring, no, there is no hoping. In the spring, I'm going to get a couple of chickens, and someone told me to wait till the spring to get them. I don't know if that's true, but in the spring I'm going to get some so that we can start, you know, harvesting, I guess. I don't know what the right word is. Getting our own eggs. We do go through quite a bit of eggs. I have been eating a lot of egg salad recently. I like hard-boiled eggs. Any egg I like, so it would be nice to have some chickens. And the person I was talking to says they're really low maintenance. So definitely let me know if you have any experience with raising chickens. We got 3 boxes of Shoprite macaroni. This is the only kind we eat. We do not like Kraft macaroni. This one is really, really good. And it used to be about 32 cents a box. It's up at 49 cents. Still very, very reasonable. And it's an easy, quick lunch for my daughter, who is insanely picky. I just grabbed some K-Pods. I think that's what they're called. Just a light roast for coffee in the morning. Now that my sister isn't here, she drank like 3 or 4 cups a day. Way more coffee than I do. This will be plenty for us. And then I just got the bowl and basket from Shoprite, wavy original chips. My husband likes to have these in his lunch, so I just grabbed these, and these were really inexpensive. They were right around like $1.49. I got the bowl and basket mozzarella. I like to shred my own typically, but this was on sale, so I just grabbed that. I grabbed this new barbecue sauce, and you'll see why, because I was able to get a really nice cut of meat. It's Bullseye. I've never heard of it. It's the hickory brown sugar. It looks delicious, so I'm hoping it's as good as it looks. Just some sour cream from Shoprite. These snack bags, which I think are perfect size for my daughter to take for lunch. They were $50 for $1. Eventually, I would love to invest in the reusable ones. I think they're so cute, but for now, this is working for us. Pasta is so expensive right now. I usually pay about 89 cents for one of these boxes at the Shoprite for bowl and basket, and they were up at $1.29 today. So I only got 2. I know it doesn't sound like a big difference, but in the end, it's just, I don't know what people are going to do. I don't know what we're going to do. It's just, I'm afraid things are going to almost be untouchable soon. But then on to some produce. We got these from Aldi's. These were $2.89 for the raspberries. We got to eat them up right away because I know raspberries do not last. Then the blackberries were right around the same price. Blueberries were $2.09. So I was really happy to get a thing of those. These are from Shoprite. I didn't know that they were going to be so inexpensive. These were $3.99 for 2 pounds, but I had already bought some at Aldi, but these will not go bad. I'm glad to have them. And then I got these. These are amazing Greek yogurt. It's a toasted coconut and vanilla. Love these. They are a little pricey. I think they're like 89 cents, but they are delicious. Then I just got a mild salsa from Aldi's, a Parmesan cheese. This is both, hold, let me go over so you can see. This is from Aldi's, this mesquite turkey, delicious. Then I just got oven roasted turkey. This chicken is really good and I love it a lot. And then I got a thing of provolone. All of this is from Aldi's. This is from Aldi's as well, very good. I've never tried the spinach dip, but anything from this brand, they have a dill dip, like a dill pickle dip is, I'm telling you, it is so good. If you have an Aldi's near you, go pick it up right now. It is so good. It's so pickly, but like the perfect amount of pickle. I don't know how to explain it. It's so good. So I wanted to try the spinach dip. I'm assuming it's going to be just as good. Now this is one of my guilty pleasures. I went through 3 of these over the holidays. They are so good. If you love street corn as much as I do, which I love street corn, this dip is so good. It has fiery roasted corn, cilantro, red chili spices, and mayonnaise, sour cream, Monterey Jack cheese, kochi. I'm not sure how to say it, so I don't want to say it, but this is so delicious. I love this on crackers. I love this on tortilla chips. This is delicious. They're a little pricey. They're about less than $4, but they are good. They have all different kinds. They have hummuses. They have, like I said, they have tzatziki. They have a dill dip. These are great. And they have all kinds of like salsas. If you like chunky salsas that aren't like the cheap jar ones, they make a really good one. 2 loaves of bread from Aldi's because they were 50 cents and soft this time. I'll freeze a loaf. That was perfect. Broccoli was 99 cents a pound at Shoprite, so I love to be able to get this, and I'll use one for roasting and one for pasta salad. I got 2 of these Knorr chicken and rice. My family likes these. They're a little more flavorful than the boxed ones, and they're chicken and broccoli. I'll make this with chicken and rice, and it's really delicious, and they are $1. If you are on a really tight budget, these are a really nice side that will fill up your family, and for $1, I think they are really reasonable. Then I got a box of Cheez-Its that was per request of my daughter. Shoprite. These are Aldi string cheese. They are so good. I bought them on a whim and because they were so inexpensive. They were right around 2 something, so I grabbed them and I love them more than anything, and they were out of them for weeks, so I was glad to find them. This is just a splurge. I don't usually buy this. This was very expensive. It was $10. But my daughter asked for it, and I usually would say no, but we got it this time. I got a fajita kit because they did not have just the regular fajita mix. So this will be plenty for my husband and I. Usually I have to buy 2 boxes if my sister's also eating, but for 2 of us, this should be plenty. I don't like buying it. It's usually only $2.99, and it was almost $3.99, so I wasn't thrilled because the little packets are only $1, but that will be a nice meal for us. I needed makeup wipes, and I've never bought these from Aldi's, but they were $1.99. You only get 25, but if they're good, then I'm going to continue to repurchase them. I know they're bad for the environment. I wear makeup every day. I'm sorry. I really need makeup wipes. It's something that I won't give up right now. This was comparable to Dove Sensitive Skin. This was literally $1.49 at Aldi's, and if it is as good as the Dove Unscented, I might buy this one. We're kind of like budgeting. So if this is as good as the Dove, I might just switch over to this, like I said, when we're in a little bit of a pinch. I just got these for an easy snack after school. My daughter's lunch is at 9 in the morning, so by the time she gets home at 2:20, she's starving. And I don't like her eating a full meal because then she won't eat dinner, so maybe something like this will hold her over till we eat dinner around like 5:30, 6 at the very latest. I got this to make a chicken pot pie this week. This is from Aldi's, and it was $1.49. The shake and bake from Aldi's isn't terrible. It's not my favorite. I do prefer the Kraft, but it will be good for right now, and it was under $2. This was a great find, the ragu tomato, garlic, and onion sauce. This was $1.99 for 45 ounces. So I will get 2 meals out of this, so 4 total. Okay, you guys, we are coming to an end. I got these 3 things of freezer bags because they were $1.99 and I like to keep them in the house. A thing of mayonnaise from Bowl & Basket, which is Shoprite, because I've been eating a lot of egg salad. Just some French vanilla creamer from Bowl & Basket because this was $1.99 compared to like International Delight House, which was closer to $4. I found this really nice thing of ribs for $10.20. This will be a really delicious meal and I'm looking forward to making this. I got these thin pork chops for under $5. They were $4.05. Really nice meal. Ground beef has been so expensive, and I was able to get this for $11.85, and it's almost 3 pounds. So that will be about 3 meals I can get out of that. And then I got this huge thing of chicken. It was $1.99 a pound, and I will cut these up a lot smaller, and we'll get quite a bit of chicken out of this. 3 packets of chicken gravy because I'm going to make hot turkey sandwiches tonight for dinner. Some spicy brown mustard, ranch, and Italian dressing. This is going to be for pasta salad, potatoes, and last but not least, a thing of garlic bread. So that is everything in my haul today from Aldi's and Shoprite. I hope this helps somebody. I hope that everyone is doing well with everything going on in the world and everyone is staying safe and eating well, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you stick around. These are the types of videos I do that are lifestyle, fashion related, makeup, anything that has to do with my life. And I figured I had such a big haul here, maybe I would just show everyone some of the grocery items I got and some of my favorite things from Aldi's, because I know some people can be a little skeptical of Aldi's. I know I was in the beginning, but I love it. I have Aldi's here. Shoprite. Acme is kind of scarce. I wish there were better Acmes around me. And then I have a store called, I think it's Lidl or Lidl, L-I-D-E. I'm not exactly sure. I'll put it up on the screen. I don't want to butcher the name. It's not my favorite, but I really haven't given the store a chance. And then of course I have my local Walmart, but try your Aldi's, man. I'm telling you, they have amazing deals. And so far, the only thing that I don't love from Aldi's usually is their breads, or like their bakery items, but their bread was really soft today, so I was really impressed. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I would love to know what you've been doing to budget, where you've been shopping, what your bill each month roughly is. I'd love to hear it, how many family members you're feeding. It just helps to kind of share with other families and see what's been going on, and I will hope to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.